Some actions that we often do may unknowingly have a negative impact on our mental health. Sometimes, we fail to recognize that these behaviors are limiting our personal growth. In this video, we will explore 8 such actions and how they can affect your mood and mental well-being. You, the pursuer of perfection, always set high standards for yourself and refuse to accept any mediocrity in life. But have you ever wondered if this could lead you into a spiral of anxiety and self-blame? It's a surprising truth that even the most talented and outstanding individuals cannot achieve absolute perfection. Each time you strive for perfection, you put yourself in a position of unnecessary stress and pressure. But there's another path, a way to adjust your mindset. Open your heart and listen to the opinions of others. Don't be afraid of feedback and input from those around you. Everyone has their own perspectives, and you can learn from this diversity. Instead of comparing yourself to others, seek growth from within. Remember that your journey is unique and meaningful in its own right. Often, you find yourself sleep-deprived. Do you wake up every morning feeling tired and far from refreshed? Sometimes, perhaps, you feel irritable and uneasy, unable to focus on work or daily activities. Getting a full 8 hours of sleep each night isn't just an old cliché, but also a crucial factor for your mental health. Sleep deprivation not only damages the body, but also affects our spirits. It can leave you feeling fatigued, irritable, and unable to concentrate. Though sleep might seem like a mundane task, for our bodies, it's a vital habit to maintain optimal well-being. Imagine if every night you had a deep and restful sleep, you wouldn't feel tired and stressed anymore. That's why having a proper sleep routine is incredibly important for our overall health and well-being. Every morning, is it a characteristic feature of modern life that cannot be missed, or simply an unconscious habit you cannot avoid? Every time your eyes leave the dream and open to the real world, is the phone the first thing you reach for, like a lifebuoy in the ocean of life? The smartphone, a miraculous machine, a gateway to the endless world of knowledge and entertainment. But the captivating lights from this screen can also blur the reality around us, leading us astray in the maze of illusions that we ourselves create. Imagine a new day, not bound by the incessant streams of information flowing from your mobile device. Set aside a specific time, every morning, for you to escape from this virtual world and focus on the real world around you. You will discover that, in that quiet moment, there is much more than what you have missed, from the refreshing sensation of the morning air to the sound of birdsong outside the window. Face this challenge boldly, and you will explore a new and richer world, not just a continuous stream of messages and images overloaded on a small screen. You find yourself stuck in toxic relationships. Do you invest too much hope in your relationships with others? Perhaps you believe there will be positive changes, whether it's with friends, colleagues, or even family. But if that relationship has been deeply ingrained in the past and is negatively affecting your mental health, staying in it can lead to worrisome consequences. You're sacrificing your happiness and mental well-being for others. This habit easily leaves you feeling drained and insecure. It can lead to dependence and emotional manipulation from others, making you feel like you're no longer in control of your own life. Recognizing warning signs, seeking help, and taking time to address emotional pain are crucial. Remember, true love still exists, and you deserve to experience it. Don't let yourself be trapped in toxic relationships. Instead, open the door to new opportunities where you can find happiness and personal growth. You don't often seek help from others, even when you're not feeling okay. Perhaps you tend to rely on your own abilities and believe you can do things better than anyone else. However, refusing help from others not only deprives you of the opportunity to receive support, but also leaves you feeling lonely and abandoned, like someone drowning in a pool with no one to lend a hand. The journey to a mentally fulfilling and healthy life comes from each person's ability to share and interact with others. If you're struggling to express your emotions, open up and seek assistance. Don't hesitate to reach out when you're facing difficulties or feel like you're complicating things for others. Even more, help can come from trusted sources outside your immediate circle. such as a mental health counselor. The key is knowing when and how to open the door to support from the community around you. Frequently comparing yourself to others on social media can leave you feeling unsettled. Each person shares only the highlights of their lives on platforms like Instagram or Facebook, but remember that social media only reveals a small, curated portion of their reality. In fact, everyone's life is not as perfect as they portray it to be online. Instead of comparing yourself to others, focus on your own journey and strive to improve every day. Don't worry too much about falling short compared to others, as they are also dealing with their own issues. You can try keeping a journal as a way to document achievements and positive experiences in your daily life. Learn about mindfulness and self-compassion techniques to reduce stress and boost your confidence. Consider reducing your time spent on social media and instead seek out offline activities to enhance real-life experiences and connections with the world around you. Creating unnecessary difficulties for yourself can lead to further harm and challenges. Sometimes, small behaviors like staying up late or putting pressure on yourself to stay busy can leave you feeling anxious and uneasy. Instead, try to identify the root cause of these behaviors and make meaningful, small changes to develop yourself every day. Rather than forcing yourself to stay up late to complete tasks, you can establish a regular sleep schedule and create conducive conditions for sleep by turning off electronic devices before bedtime. Instead of self-imposing pressure by setting overly ambitious goals, you can break them down into smaller, achievable steps and set daily goals. This will help you feel satisfied with your progress and motivate you to continue developing. Remember that each day is a new opportunity to start fresh and improve yourself. Don't be too hard on yourself and emphasize perfection. Instead, value small steps forward and see progress in your development journey. When was the last time you stopped to practice gratitude? Appreciating the positive aspects of life and finding joy in them is crucial. Research from the University of California, Berkeley, has shown that gratitude brings significant benefits to your mental health. It helps improve sleep, makes you more vibrant, and reduces feelings of loneliness. To practice gratitude, start by creating a list of things you feel fortunate for and jot them down in a journal every day. As you do this consistently, you'll find yourself feeling happier. Have you noticed yourself engaging in these actions to take care of your mental health? Especially during challenging times like before an illness, this becomes more important than ever. Additionally, as usual, because YouTube's algorithm favors videos with more likes, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button to help our video reach more people. You can also subscribe to the channel to receive notifications whenever new content is updated. Thank you for watching.